Hey, it's Al and Victoria with Living in Greenville TV. We're out here today in Winterville, North Carolina, walking you through this gorgeous Turner plan from Bill Clark Homes. This one's brand new construction, just over 2,180 square feet, and sitting on an incredible corner lot that's already fully sodded and ready to enjoy. Check out the wide driveway leading up to the two-car garage. It's clean, spacious, and framed by a beautiful front porch that's generous enough for rocking chairs, hanging ferns, and quiet evenings. You can already feel the quality before we even step inside. And let's go ahead and take you through this stunning home and give you a feel for the layout. Right through the front door, you walk into a lovely wide foyer. Off to the side, there's a great room with two oversized windows that flood the space with light. It's got luxury flooring that stretches throughout and its own full closet. So whether you use it as a guest bedroom, home office, or creative space, it's got everything you need to make it functional and bright. You'll notice the modern light fixture here, and again, those gorgeous floors carry all the way down the hall. As we keep walking through, you've got a sleek and stylish half bath to the side with a beautiful vanity and subtle agreeable gray tones on the walls. It's a shade that leans just slightly cool with a hint of blue, really elegant. There's even a spacious coat closet here in the foyer, and now we step into the main living space, and wow, look at this. The living room is open and inviting with a beautiful fireplace as your focal point, flanked by two windows for symmetry and sunlight. You've got recessed LED lights throughout the ceiling and a modern fan that ties it all together. This room is long and wide, perfect for entertaining or cozy nights in, and right in front of you, it opens up beautifully into the kitchen. Behind that, you've got views of the backyard and the future growth across the street. Several homes are still being built, so this corner lot has lasting value in a growing neighborhood. Now take a look at this kitchen. White granite countertops, sleek farmhouse sink, subway tile backsplash, and cabinetry that feels fresh and high-end. It's not just nice, it's practical and stylish. The cabinets are beautiful inside and out, and the appliances are already installed. Your Frigidaire oven, microwave, and dishwasher are tucked into that back corner and ready to go. This is in Winterville, North Carolina. Winterville isn't just where we work, it's home. Al and I know the streets, the schools, the people. We're not just real estate agents. We're your local experts who actually live the life you want to move into. Just off to the side, there's even more storage with an extended granite countertop and more cabinetry, ideal for a coffee bar or extra prep space. Right here is your refrigerator nook, and then you've got a smart thermostat already installed to keep everything efficient. Over here is your two-car garage, neat, finished, and organized. In that corner, you've got your water heater safely enclosed, your electrical panel fully labeled, and your smart home hub where you can connect your internet or security system. This home was built with today's buyer in mind. Let's take one last look at this open living space from the kitchen to the front door. You can see how well everything flows. Now, let's head upstairs. Up the carpeted staircase, you've got a beautiful railing and a landing that gives you a peek outside at the other homes being built right across the street. This neighborhood is truly coming to life. This is in Winterville, North Carolina. Winterville isn't just where we work, it's home. Victoria and I know the streets, the schools, the people. We're not just real estate agents, we're your local experts who actually live the life you want to move into. There's a reason more and more people are moving to Winterville. It's one of the best kept secrets in Eastern North Carolina. You get peaceful living, amazing value, and strong community vibes, but you're still just a quick drive from the action in Greenville. Whether you want new construction or a charming home in an established neighborhood, Winterville has options that make sense for your lifestyle and your budget. We live here, work here, and truly believe this is one of the best places to call home. Let us show you why Winterville isn't just a great choice, it's the right one. And just next to the laundry room is what we know will be one of your favorite spaces in this home, the primary bedroom. It's not just spacious, it feels like a true retreat. The layout is open and balanced with two large windows that let in soft, natural light, and the ceiling fan and recessed LED lighting give it that polished, high-end feel. What really stands out here is how peaceful it feels. Tucked away from the rest of the bedrooms, it gives you the privacy you want with a layout that's easy to furnish and make your own. Whether it's a king bed, reading chairs, or a full bedroom suite, there's more than enough space here to breathe and relax. And then just wait until you step into the walk-in closet. It's not your typical closet. This one is deep, fully shelved top and bottom, and gives you more than enough room to organize your full wardrobe with space to spare. Now the ensuite bath, that's where the luxury really kicks in. You've got a full-size garden tub with designer tile surround, perfect for winding down at the end of the day, plus double vanities with plenty of storage underneath, and a large walk-in shower that's brightened by its own window for natural light. Every finish is clean, modern, and thoughtfully placed. It's your own private spa right at home. Want to see this home or others like it in Winterville? We've got a Calendly link in the description. Pick a time that works for you and we'll show you around. Coming out of the primary suite, there's another large room around the corner. It could absolutely be used as a bonus room or fourth bedroom, and it's a great shape for flexibility. Whether you want a movie room, office, or extra bedroom, the space is here and it has its own closet. The window placement is ideal, and you've still got that consistent, agreeable gray tone with the touch of blue. It feels cohesive and clean all the way through. Right across from that room is another bedroom, slightly smaller, but still carpeted and with a walk-in closet that offers serious storage, close to 6 by 10 feet in size. The window in this room brings in plenty of light and it's quiet and comfortable. Next to it, there's a linen closet with 5 built-in shelves, perfect for towels, bedding, or seasonal storage. And then we have the shared full bathroom, which is as sharp as the rest of the house. Tile floors, single vanity, full tub, and shower combo, and that same calm color scheme running throughout. Finally, there's one more bedroom at the end of the hall, a little larger than the last, with 2 windows on opposite walls, bringing in gorgeous natural light throughout the day. Closet space is the same, around 7 to 7.5 feet wide, and it all ties together beautifully. Outside, the road continues and you can see the rest of the development coming together. This is a growing neighborhood and you're buying in early while the value is rising. We love showing homes in Winterville, whether it's in person or through a detailed video tour. If you're relocating, we've got you covered. Book a time with us using the Calendly link below, and let's find your new home together. That's our full walkthrough of this brand new Turner plan by Bill Clark Homes on a corner lot in Winterville, NC, in a community that's actively growing. If you're interested in seeing this home in person or learning more about where else this floor plan is being built, we'd love to connect with you. We're Al and Victoria with eXp Realty. Thanks so much for touring with us today.